everyone for yet another video from innerinsight.io. Um, so today we're going to look at logs or logging platform. So as you guys are aware of it, in the observability platform, the three main pieces are logs, metrics, and traces. And today we're going to look at logging platform. So if you take logging platform as such, there will be multiple stages. One is of course the collection part, then the organizing, and then the cleansing part comes in, and then the storing and analyzing, or maybe influencing. Once the data has been analyzed, then you can pretty much influence the business to make or take wise decision. So the collection part, let's jump right into it. So the collection part is, it can be done via two ways. One is the standard way, which is like the agent way. There are multiple agents out there to collect the logs. One is like Fluentd, Fluentbit, Logstash, or even Splunk Forwarder for that matter. So what it basically does is, these agents sit along in the same VM or in the same host where your containers runs, or where your application runs, and it start emitting, whatever the logs is being emitted by your apps or by your operating system. It collects all of those and sends it over to a downstream endpoint. So most of the time, it is this endpoint. I mean, at least in insight.io case, it's mostly a Kafka endpoint which you should be dropping your logs. It's a secured way. All you have to do is, it's just call it. I mean, make a UDP connection established, drop the logs, and we will take care of the rest. We take care of the rest in a sense like we do the cleansing part, cleansing of the data. Say for example, you might not want all your 2x's to be stored. So most likely, say in beefy enterprise, there are like thousands and thousands of VM, and you don't want all your 2xx to be stored, and it's sort of like a waste of money, I would say. So to use the money wisely, you can store say 5 or 10% of 2xx. So those knobs are will be available for the users, so that the same can be done from the agent level. But yeah, we do support at our end as well. So you have multiple knobs where you can tween or tweak in your data. So yeah, you can downsample your 2 or 3xx. Maybe you want the complete 4 or 5xx, which is your error codes, and you want all of it, so that you don't miss out any of the happening. You don't miss out any of the pitfalls in your business flow. So yeah, once it's dropped into a Kafka endpoint, that's when our platform kicks in. So we take the data from the Kafka endpoint and we start processing them. So after downsampling, we store them, we index them, so that when you guys come to look at our platform, the data is all indexed and it's ready to go. You can do further analysis on them. So yeah, we have like multiple platforms at the back to do it, to support it basically. So we have Elasticsearch, we have Loki to do it, which can scale horizontally, and on top of it, each customer gets a separate cluster with replication on them. So this gives like a high availability, as well as the platform itself, the logging platform itself is highly resilient. So yeah, you can send any format, as I said, and we give the capability to our customers where you can tweak in terms of what should be stored, or into like what percentage. we can drill down into like at the error code level, and in top of it, yeah, the data which is being stored is highly resilient. That's what that sums it up. And thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video from innerInsight.io, and please do subscribe our channel. Hope you like it. Thank you.